Okay, just made it to our first job. Check it out. What's up, bro? What's up?
Morning.
What's going on?
On time.
Huh?
On time. Early.
Always, bro. What do you got? What do you got?
Oh, it's just a garage. Let me go open it up.
No worries. Let's see what they have. It's all in the garage. Move some stuff around. Just got finished with the Goodwill drop off. Let's see what he has in here. It's a good thing. I want to see how much this shit is. Yeah. My good photos are deceiving. Oh, no. More. Is it all this stuff? What's in there? Dude, that's a lot of shit. That's a lot more than the photo. Oh no, bro. Look at that. Oh, there's a lot. See all the drywall, all the demo in there. This isn't just paper. So that's why. Yeah, dude.
I didn't know.
No worries.
Yeah.
I know it, and I don't want to be
just keep piling it up and piling it up.
the bearer of bad news, but yeah, that's a lot of lot of construction shit,
Yeah.
dude.
We already did 2 full load of.
Okay, so just at the customer's house, he pulled up, and we sent me the original photos. It's all like paper. You can't see underneath the pile. He said it was all cardboard paper, blah, blah, blah. Lightweight stuff, so we did it. Super cheap, no problem. Light, easy. Then we got there, check under the pile. You got to always check before you start a job. Checked under the pile. The contractor buried all the drywall, all the framing material. Everything's under that pile. There's even tile under there. I didn't say anything. And the guy, I gave him the price. I gave that's a full truck, dude. Like, it's gonna be how we estimated it at. And he's like, oh, bro, no. I'm like, yeah, get a hold of the contractor. So he was cool. We explained the situation, showed him our prices, we have a price sheet now that we showed him. And we showed him 1-800-JUNK prices, and we showed him another competitors' prices, and we're substantially cheaper because we don't have franchise fees, and we don't have any franchise fees, or we don't have any overhead really. We don't pay we don't pay nothing on Google Ads. We do everything organically, so we keep the overhead low, so our profits are high, and we get charged accordingly, and we can make money. We can make good money. So it's really important to double check the load. If people send you photos, just give them an estimate. Don't give them an actual price, because when you get to the job and there's a bunch of stuff buried underneath the pile, you're gonna have to charge them more money, and they're gonna be pissed because you already quoted them a price, and you can't go back and go, oh, dude, like, I didn't see that in the photo. That's why you just give an estimate. Or you go out and give them a quote before you tell me you're going to give them a quote. So whatever, we didn't get the job. He'll probably call us because the contractor's not going to want to pick that shit up and pay that money. So, whatever. It is what it is. It's Sunday. We dropped off all our stuff already. Trucks are empty. Ready for the next call. So anyway, yeah. You're giving estimates from photos or going to give quotes. Make sure you check the piles. Check around the pile, check under the pile. Lift some bags up. Contractors love to hide stuff in bags. They put tile in bags. We did a job before, and contractors like, yo, it's all fucking carpet, bro. Like, there's a big old pile of carpet. So we gave them a price. And then we got underneath the carpet, and there was like 50 bags of tile. And we're like, time out, brother. We ain't picking up that. We're just picking up the carpet, and it was a hassle. So just make sure, sometimes you can't see everything, but just let them know, hey, if there's concrete or tile, especially during construction, cleanup stuff, it's extra. That shit weighs a lot. It's hard on your truck. It's hard on the trannies. It weighs more at the dump, so you gotta charge more because you're gonna pay more dumping that stuff. Anyway, little tip for the day. But if you need us in North County, Vista, Encinitas, Carlsbad, San Marcos, Del Mar, La Jolla, Solana, San Alejo. We'll be there. Same day, next day, even sometimes the same hour. If we're in the area, we can do it. Or if you have an emergency, we're open 24/7. We'll come out. We'll pick it up for all your house cleaning needs, any trash needs, whatever you have, we got you covered. Give us a call, 760-331-3289, or look us up at thehollerjunkremoval.com. Take a look at our website. Take a look at all our 5-star reviews. That's how we roll.